Hoover Metropolitan Stadium is such a vital facility to our city, hosting various sporting events and concerts throughout the year, including being the home field for our Hoover High School Buccaneer football team. However, our biggest distinction is being home to the Southeastern Conference baseball tournament. Gosh, we've enjoyed a tremendous relationship with the SEC since 1996. And during that time, going to Hoover has become synonymous with the SEC tournament. So to fulfill our obligations to this relationship, the city is always looking for opportunities to improve the fan experience from our state-of-the-art Finley Center Sports Complex, our adjacent recreational vehicle overnight facilities, and our community splash pad. Therefore, when our local utility presented an opportunity to replace our lighting system through our energy conservation efforts, we were very interested. So, one of the unique challenges of this project is providing a lighting system that meets the standard for the national broadcast of collegiate championship baseball that can also be reconfigured for televised high school football, other NCAA and high school sporting competitions, as well as concerts and other community events. So previously we would bring in portable lighting systems as needed, but we're really looking for a solution that would eliminate that need in the future. Additionally, we wanted a lighting system that would enhance the fan experience, from strobes and other effects for home runs and great plays to lighting the stadium Hoover Buck orange on Friday nights. So, through our utility partner, we discussed both the city's technical requirements for the Met and our energy conservation goals for evaluation of sports lighting providers. And very early it was apparent that the Ephesus provided the expertise needed for the Met's requirement, cost efficiency that aligned with our energy conservation goals, a demonstrated leadership in sports lighting, and a commitment to customer satisfaction that the city of Hoover requires for its citizens. We are very pleased with our new Ephesus lighting at the Hoover Met. This system meets every requirement that we developed and exceeded our expectations. So we look forward to seeing and hearing the reaction from our fans when we demonstrate the system's capabilities at our coming events.